mental maths to solve. So we are asked if 9 is equal to 63 and 8 is equal to 48 and 7 is equal to 35. What is the value of 5? It's mental maths, just like always. So provide for us the answer. Provide for us the answer. What do you think the answer should be? Okay. So this is what we have on the board. 9 equals 63, 8 equals 48, 7 equals 35, and 5 is equal to what? A very simple question. It is a simple question, but you need to check, check for you to get the answer correctly. Okay? So if you are just joining, you are welcome. If you are just joining, I want you guys to be seeing me very well. Okay. So say hi if you can hear me very well. Say hi if you can hear me very well. If 9 is equal to 63, 8 equals 48, 7 equals 35, what is the value of 5? What do you think 5 should be? That is the question, guys. And as usual, I'll be waiting for you to tell me the answer to this. Okay? I'll be waiting for you to tell me the answer to this. So if 9 equals 63, 8 equals 48, 7 equals 35, what is 5 equal to? What is 5 equal to? So, someone says 20. Big Z, you're welcome back. Thank you for joining us. I mean 15. Okay? So your answer is 15 then. Milk, you are welcome to my live stream. Nigeria. You're welcome. So if 9 equals 63, 8 equals 48, 7 equals 35, what is 5? I would say 15 too. All right. Waiting for more answers. I'm waiting for more answers. Hi, everyone. Happy Sunday and welcome to my live stream. Happy Sunday and welcome to my live stream. Okay, Ricardo says Hola 20. Nureddin says it's 15. Cal Mobile says 20 as well. Okay. 97867554. According to Levy. Okay. Can you say it's 20? 20. So the answer lies between is either 20 or 15, right? The answer is either 20 or 15. Okay, let's see what the answer will be finally. We will see what the answer will be finally. Alice says it's 15. Lovey says it's 20. So we keep waiting for the right time. If you're just joining, you're welcome. Please hit the subscription button if this is the first time you're calling across this channel. Adele, hi. James says it must be 15 or the word will start spinning the other way around. Okay. Vanessa says hello, ma'am. Hi there. You're welcome. So Sujesh says you give gifts. No, I don't. So I don't give gifts. And mom says 20. Okay. Lovey says, please let me be right. Okay. Just keep your hopes high. Okay. Just keep your hopes high. Let me see the answer you dropped, Lovey. Lovey says it's 20. Okay. 9 times 7 and 8 times 6 and 7 times 5, 6 times 4, 7 5 times 3. That is Ali explaining himself. Tomorrow the live ended unexpected. Yes, I'm so sorry. It was network. So sorry about that. Jugu, you're welcome back. You're welcome back. Patani says it's 15. Lovey says I ain't that smart. No, everybody is smart. Okay, you just need to pay attention to details. That's all. Pay attention to details and you will get your answers right. That's all. Okay, just pay attention to details. That's all I can say. Pandem says 5 times 4 is 20. Then says, at love you, but you are humble. Exactly, that's the truth. Vintage Void says it's 17. Saptani says it's 15. Alan says it's 20. Vintage Void, how did you get 17? Do you mind telling us how? Please. I'm curious to know. Alan says it's 20. Lovey says puzzles are not usually my thing. I understand, Lovey. Just keep trying. One thing about puzzles is that when you keep solving them, at a point, notice that you will see a particular puzzle and you notice that you can apply the same method you apply to get one some other time to that particular one you are seeing. So with practice, you will see that most of them are the same. They are linked together. Alice says it's 15. Okay. Alice asked me what is the number. I will tell you soon. Vintage Voice 13. Please, how did you get 13? Vintage Voice. I'm curious. Pandayan says it's 20. Sahid says it's 20. Sahid, hello, you're welcome. The answer doesn't change the fact that we will see it by 2140. Sugar, there go. Let's live in the moment. Alice says, look at the series 9, 7, and then finally 5 times 3. Thank you for the explanation, Ali. So that says um 7 times 7 minus 14, 35. Hi, I am watching you live from India at 9:10 p.m. Okay, thank you for giving me that info. So now in India it's 10 p.m. and here it is 5:48 p.m. Okay, that's a good information. Thank you so much. 9 equals 63. This is 9 times 7. 8 equals 48. This is 8 times 6. 7 equals 35. This is 7 times 5. Rad says it's 20. Vintage Void has changed or his mind to 15. Okay. Rad says it's 20. One says it's 20. Rad says it's 20. Ma'am, can you tell some division trick in mind? Yes, of course. Of course. Of course. It is 50. You are right. Lovey Thames. Lovey saying with his full chest or her full chest that the answer is 15. Okay. 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 Now everyone is saying 15, 15, 15. I wonder why you guys changed your mind. Darling, you're welcome. Your name says it's 20. Lovey says I hate losing. It's well, sometime in life we might lose. It's normal. That shows that we are humans. We are not perfect. The important thing is when you lose, learn from your mistake. That way you've not actually lost anything, but you have gained more knowledge. Okay? So that is life for you. That is life for you. All right. Raj Pahagat is saying is 15. I forgot about 6. That is why it's a mental math, and that is why you should pay attention. Okay? That is why you should pay attention. Okay, Raj says another one. All right, Raj, I will do that. Now, let's answer this and then bring out another question. Let us answer this and then bring out another question. Okay, I want you to take a look at this. Now, look at this. You will notice something, and that is that 9 minus 2 will give you 7. 9 minus 2 will give you 7. And 9 times 7 is 63. Okay? Now, similarly, 8 minus 2 will give us 6. And 8 times 6 is 48. 7 minus 2 will give you 5. And 7 times 5 is 35. So this should be 5 minus 2, which will give you 3. And 5 times 3 is 15. So the answer is 15. So most of you got it right. Lovey, finally you got it right. I hope you are. Oh, sorry. I hope you are happy, Lovey. And all of you that got it right. Okay. All right, now another question. Another question says, another question says, 5 times 5 is 13. 6 times 6 is 42. 7 times 7 is 56. Now what is 8 times 8? So what is 8 times 8, guys? If 5 times 5 is 30, 6 times 6 is 42, 7 times 7 is 56. Now what is 8 times 8? Waiting for the answers, guys. Okay. Almost everybody is saying 72, 72, 72. Wow. Wow. Except someone, Zafar says 64. Wow, 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 wow. Everyone. I can't even start calling your names one after the other. That means this one is very easy. You guys are indirectly telling me that this is very, very easy. Okay. You are indirectly telling me that this is very easy. Okay. Everybody is saying the same thing. So I can't start calling names. I can't start calling names. Bring complex stuff. Okay. Let me look for complex stuff. Let me look for complex stuff. Okay. Thank you for your likes. Please subscribe to the channel if this is the first time you are coming across our channel. Thank you so much. Now, what? Another one. Ted says, I love you. I love you too. Thank you. Raj says another one. Oh, you guys are already impatient. Who is ready for this? Who is ready for this? Okay, so all right. Now I can see that you guys understood this one very well. This is easy. 5, if you add 1 to 5, you get 6. 5 times 6 is 30. If you add 1 to 6, you get 7. 6 times 7 is 42. If you add 1 to 7, you get 8. 7 times 8 is 56. So if you add 1 to 8, you get 9. And 8 times 9 is 72. So all of you got it right. All of you. Okay, let's go into something that we are going to think through before we'll be able to provide the answer. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we have 3, 2, and 1. Now the question says that you should join same numbers without crossing any line. Can you join same numbers together without crossing any line? Now, this is what this question means. For example, if I decide to join 2 and to join 1 like this is wrong because I'm going to cross this part. Okay? So you are expected to join the lines without crossing any line. Can you try that and tell me what you got? My awesome teacher, I love you. Yeah, I love you too, Urban. 3 outside, 2 direct. I don't think so, Jugo. Did you try that? Did you try that? Did you try that? I hear 442044. Okay, Jugo says yes, I've tried mentally. Maybe you should try drawing it on a sheet of paper. Okay? And see if it's going to work out. Just tell me how to go about it. Someone says this is impossible. DJ, 3 and 3, 2 and 1. Jugo, 2 direct vertical line. What's happening here? Jugo says 3 from outside below 3, 2, 1. Not going to work, trust me. That won't work. Are we allowed to make constructions? No, you are not allowed to make any construction. Raj says 1 plus 2, 3 times. No, you are meant to join same line, same numbers together. You are supposed to join same numbers together. Jugu says I've connected. Okay, explain to us how you got it right. Explain to us how you were able to do this without crossing the line. Jugu, explain to us. If this is the first time you are seeing us, please hit that subscription button. Okay? 1 and 3, 3 and 1, and 2 and 2. No, you are meant to connect the same number together. DJ, do you understand? Like, you're supposed to connect 2 and 2, you connect 1 and 1, and you connect 3 and 3. Try 2, 2 first, vertical, okay? Then top left, 1, connect by drawing a line from below and the bottom of 2. Drawing a line from below the bottom of 2, then 3 and 3 from top left. Okay. Okay. Jean says 213. Khalid says replace swap 1 at 3. Jubu says, am I right? You are going to find out soon. If you are right, you're supposed to know this one is direct. You have to use the space around the numbers. No, you are welcome back today. So Miss Sinisa says 2 direct to 2. 1 on top comes down around 3. On top right comes around 2. On top and then down. Okay. Jugu, you confused it more than so. Yes, this type of thing, if you try to explain, so some persons may not even understand what you're trying to do until I do it on the board, right? Jugu says, I just connected by a line. Remember your line, you shouldn't cross a line. Remember that you're not supposed to cross any line. So everything is meant to, all the lines are meant to be on their own. You're not supposed to cross anything. We can loop the line around the whole board. Yes, you can loop it around the whole board. As long as it doesn't cross another line, no problem. DJ Star says, oh, 3 parts above, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1 part under. Hmm. Yes, I connected it. You don't know it's right or wrong. You're not supposed to connect anyone. No, lines are not supposed to touch each other. 3, okay, DJ says 2 and 2, okay. 3 loops and goes to 3, okay. 1 loops and goes to 1. Okay, DJ, how am I sure you're saying what I have in mind? Because this your loops. But it sounds like what I think is the right answer. Khalid says connected successfully. Okay, ma'am, I go for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Now, let's see how this goes. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, I'm dropping the answer right away. All right. First things first. This and this we connect. Okay. So if you connected 2 and 2 this way, you have gotten 1 line. Right. Then you connect your 1 to your 1. Okay. Which is correct. But let me expand this a bit because I need another line on that day. All right. Now, what is remaining is your 3. You cannot go like this to your 3. You are going to cross this line. Okay? And you cannot go like this to your 3. You are going to cross this line. The only way out of it, the only way, 3 from top. 3 from top. Yes. Depending on how from over top to. Yes. You can go like this. This is correct. According to Jugu. Imagine this is not even what I did. But according to Jugu, this is right. And you can also go below 2. Yes, you can also go below 2 this way. You can go like this. And there you have it. You have connected the 3 numbers without crossing anyone twice. So this is just a brain test. Okay. This is just a brain test that is very important to our brain. We need it. Okay. Okay. Someone says this also you train your moves for chess. All right. So Alice says, which board for Jugo says the world is the limit. Thank you. All right, now, next one. Believe me when I say this one you are going to, okay, let me not talk too much. If 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, okay, sorry, 3 plus 3 is 12, rather. 5 plus 5 is 5 plus 5 is 40. 7 plus 7 is 84. 9 plus 9 is 144. Now, what is 2 plus 2? What is 2 plus 2? You wanted something difficult, right? Here you have it. Here you have it, guys. If 3 plus 3 is 12, 5 plus 5 is 40, 7 plus 7 is 84, 9 plus 9 is 144. Now, what is 2 plus 2? DJ Star says 16. Look at it very well. Yeah, I would advise you look at it very well again, DJ. Check, 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 check. Check, check, check. Someone says 4, another says 40. Jubu says 4. Did you mean what is 1 plus 1? What is 2 plus 2? If 3 plus 3 is 12, 5 plus 5 is 40, 7 plus 7 is 84, and 9 plus 9 is 144. Jubu says 2a squared minus 2 times a is the answer. Are you sure? What's the answer, Halit? If you feel this is very easy, what is the answer? Jubu says the answer is 4. We see to that soon. DJ says it's 32. Jubu is saying it's 4. DJ is saying it's 32. Oluliano, you're welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. $32, $40, $32, $22. Each answer, Rihanna says the answer is 4. Okay. Remember that this is an IQ test. It is an IQ test, and question says 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Still waiting. I'm still waiting. What I'm seeing here is 32, 4, 32. Answer is 400% sure. Is the audacity for me. DJ says, let's. Okay. I know they for that one, DJ and Jugu. I'm not. Okay, Halid says 2 plus 4 minus 6 minus 8 minus 10. When reached 2 times equals 4. 4 times 10 equals 40. Math 01, thank you for joining us once again today. You are highly welcome. My colleague says the answer is 4. So Math 01 says the answer is 4. Okay. DJ says, if I'm correct, you don't answer the next 5 questions. If I'm wrong, I leave. No, please don't bet like that. DJ, I beg. Judo says 2x bracket x by those one. DJ and Judo, I beg. Oh, I need both of you here. So nobody's leaving. Sultan says the answer is 22. Pandora says it's 22. Aslam says it's 10. In one. Okay. Okay. So the answer is DJ is saying it's 32. Okay. Math 01 is asking, am I right? Colleague, you're going to find out soon. Okay. You'll find out soon. Jugu says, okay, Tyler says the answer is 40. Jugu says my logic, 2x squared minus 2x fits 4. Okay. Alice says it's 40. I have 6. DJ kept saying it's 32. Alice says I should answer, please. Of course I will. I will. I want you all to exhaust your options. Okay? I want you all to exhaust your options. Okay. I'm waiting. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, even my logic fits well, but maybe illogical for some people, but maybe illogical for some people. Okay, now let's see the team that got this right. If it's Team Jugo or Team DJ. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Rahul says it's 12. I have other answers anyway. Rahul says it's 12. I have 12. I have 4. I have Jugo that teacher is saying it's 32. Okay, Khalid says it's 40. Okay, so we have several answers anyway. Now, another says it's 12. Rahul says it's 12. So let's solve it and see who gets this right. You are ready, okay? All right, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Now, the first thing you should put or you should have in mind is this is an IQ test, all right? And because this is an IQ test, there must be a way that they will set this in order to make us throw us off balance. So all you need to do is you should um all I need to say is you should always pay attention to details while solving any IQ test. Okay, so while solving any IQ test, you should pay attention to details. Number one is this. This is 3 at 6 times 2, 6 times 2. At 6 times 2, 6 times 2 will give us 12. Okay, we can keep this aside and try the next one. Okay, when we try the next one, then we try to find the relationship between the multipliers. Okay, now 5 plus 5 is 10. Now we have know that 10 times 4 is 40. Okay, this is making sense now. This is making sense now. So we have 7 plus 7 is 14. All right, then 14 times 6 will give us 84. Wow. So you can see that it seems the multipliers are increasing by 2. But if you use that idea, you might get this 2 plus 2 wrong. Now I want us to use another idea. The another idea we need to use here is this. You can see that 3 plus 3 is 6 and the multiplier is 1 less than 3. So you can see that the multiplier is 2 and it is 1 less than 3. So we have 5 plus 5, 10, and the multiplier is 1 less than 5. Okay, so it's simple. You can see that 7 plus 7 is 14, and the multiplier, which is 6, is 1 less than 7. So first of all, we are going to do 2 plus 2 will give us 4, and the multiplier should be 1 less than 2. Now 1 less than 2 is 1, so 4 times 1 is 4. So Jugo, Team Jugo won this. Congratulations, guys. So that is the answer, guys. That is the answer. Now, let us solve this maths. This is easy, but if you don't pay attention to details, you might get it wrong. Very easy, but if you don't pay attention to details, you might get this wrong. Now, DJ is saying, DJ, no, please stay, please stay, please stay, okay? Please stay with us. All right. Now, I need both of you here, you and Jugo. So, 5 is equal to what? 100 divided by 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to what? So what is the answer? What is the answer? So we have 10 divided by 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, someone says it's 125. Saying is 5. 25 times 5 is 125. 125, 125. DJ Star stay. Oh, DJ Star, thank you for staying behind. DJ Star says it's Bodmas repentance. Okay. We have 5 by Menesa. Multiply first or division first? I don't know. You are teaching Khalid, please. Then we have Ibrahim. Ibrahim says yes. Say 2 answers. You want me to say 2 answers? The question says check the last question. Khalid, we are gone. We are done with that. You can see the whole thing. It has a pattern, and we followed the pattern. Please don't take us back. If you are still doubting me, please do your research more. Okay. Thank you very much. It has a pattern. Follow the pattern, please. You can see the pattern, and it's very obvious. The pattern is obvious. If a pattern works for the whole, we have four questions, four answers already. If the pattern works for 4 of them, all right. So why do you think it will now not? It will not work for the last one? Okay. We have 125, 125. Are you guys sure of your answer? I need you to look at this very well. Very simple but tricky math question. Very simple but tricky math question. 100 divided by 4 multiplied by 5. What do you think the answer is? What do you think the answer is? Everyone is saying 125, 125. 125, 125. What if you guys are wrong? Those of you saying 125, what if you are wrong? What if? What if? What if? What if? Shop W, you have come again. Where is he coming from?